Hello, today I will share how to get the fried egg recipe. This recipe contains pork and greasy yolk. This is ingredient for fried egg recipe. First, I cut carrot into small size. Cook like that, make our steak to cook well. And then I slice the tomato in half. And I remove the seed, then cut them into small pieces. Finely chopped garlic. I use 3 pieces garlic. I use 150 grams of pork. Thinly sliced and then finely chopped to cook well. And I just chop the leaf garlic as well as place a pan in cooking oil, beat the dark edge and fry until crispy as you like. Arrange the dish in a clean pan. Raise the dark edge and place them on the right. Now it is time to start frying and add the cooking oils and minced garlic. Fry it until golden brown. After golden brown, I add minced pork and stir to cook a little. Now time to add ingredients to make a good taste. Sugar, chicken powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, soy fish, tomato sauce, and then I mix it together as well as I add carrot first because they are not easy to cook. Oh, I forget to tell all of you. I add a little of black pepper. After the carrot has cooked enough, we do not need to cook it until it's rotten. And then I add tomatoes and stir them together. The tomatoes do not fry until rotten, as long as it is cooked and enough. Only when we eat it delicious. Add the leaf garlic cloves that have been cooked before and to make our frying pan more delicious. After frying, we place the frying pan with the dark edge on top. Place the dark edge on top and arrange them neatly so that the red edge look attractive and likely to taste delicious also.